All right, y'all, we're exploring this building that's under construction. It's soon gonna be an office building or apartment or whatever. We don't know. All right, let's go. Oh shit, this is lit. Now let's check this place out. Damn, that's lit. This is like a 4-story building, I think, right? 4 stories? Let's try and get to the top. Let's look at this. Oh shit, there's coke. Oh, this is lit. So looks like at some place, this is gonna be the attic. Yeah, this is gonna be the attic, I think, guys. That is lit. It's so sad that they stopped construction on this place. Would have provided some more housing here. Alright, that's lit. But y'all, we're gonna try and get out of here because there are some people lurking. It's lit. If you guys want, please hit that like and sub. You know? Space. Oh no, he's still on the floor. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. Have a good one, y'all.